I'm Bryson with Trick Tools, and this is the Fein RS1070E pipe polisher. So what you get when you open the carrying case is the pipe polisher itself, as well as a selection of 3 different belts. You get a fleece belt and 2 different grits of grinding belts, and there's also belts available from 80 grit to 400 grit, as well as a coarse, medium, and fine fleece belt, and then a polishing belt as well to create that mirror finish. So with the grinder, it's got a variable speed motor on it for different applications, and the capacity of this pipe polisher is up to 1 3/4 material. And the head on this thing can be pivoted around to be able to reach different applications depending on where you're working. Now we're going to show you guys how to operate the pipe polisher, as well as how easy it is to change belts in between steps. So you can see that this Fein pipe polisher does a good job at creating a nice even finish on your material. And one of the best things about this machine is that it comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. For more information on the pipe polisher, give us a call or visit our website at Trick-Tools.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high performance tools for the fabricator.